IBO stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video. So watch till the end. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, spent 5 years actually trying to figure this thing out. And I've documented every single one of these videos. I have 40,000 videos documented. So with this in particular, yeah, we took the lows out. I mean, no bueno. I look to exactly deliver there. But generally speaking, we have this supply zone where we're currently in. And only if I see a full candle close above 106, or yeah, this is like 107 actually, my bad. Then and only then I'm going to look to further take things up. And if there's like a double break towards the downside, then sell side it is. What I'm not going to do is come out here and trying to assume things. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails. Goodbye.